In these beds I've got some peppers going, so these are red peppers in the first bed, orange peppers in the second bed, and yellow peppers in the third bed. Fourth bed is just empty. I'll probably put some lettuce here. I've got cherry tomatoes going in the 5 gallon buckets. There's three of them here. And I've got one extra. I'm going to probably put the eggplant in that one. So my neighbor's not using his garden this year, so he allowed me to kind of take it over. So as you can see, I've got some irrigation lines going here. Um, Everything here other than the row on the right's empty right now, but I've got some onions here and also some celery. All the rest are planted from seed. So I got carrots in the left two rows, then beets, and then lettuce in the rest. So we'll see how that does. Then in my back raised beds, I got some kale going in this one. This bed's actually lettuce from last year. It just went to seed, and I didn't even touch this. This is just growing from last year. Here got Swiss chard. Those are from seed. The rest were from plant starts. And over here, just got some more lettuce, so I should be able to start eating that pretty soon. And in this final bed, I call this my grass bed because it's so low to the ground, it mainly grows grass. Here I have some carrot danvers. And lastly, there's some things I still have yet to plant. The eggplant here, as well as some mint and basil, which I'll plant in the grass bed. Finally, I've got a couple hascaps growing at the front of my house, so see how these do.